Welcome, cosmic adventurers. Today we're venturing into the most mysterious and awe-inspiring phenomena in the universe, black holes. Join us as we uncover fascinating facts about these cosmic enigmas that lie beyond the event horizon. What is a black hole? Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density. The event horizon. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can return. It's the point of no return where the gravitational pull becomes irresistible. Types of black holes. Black holes come in various sizes. Stellar black holes are formed from collapsing stars. Supermassive black holes reside at the centers of galaxies, and intermediate black holes fill the gap in between. Supermassive black holes. Supermassive black holes, millions to billions of times the mass of our Sun, are found at the heart of galaxies, including our Milky Way. They play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. Spaghettification. Approaching a black hole is a deadly journey. The intense gravitational forces would stretch you into a long, thin shape in a process known as spaghettification. Black hole mergers. When black holes merge, they create gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime. These cosmic events were first detected in 2015, opening a new era in astronomy. Time dilation. Near a black hole, time behaves differently. The immense gravitational pull causes time to slow down, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Black holes and wormholes. Some theories suggest black holes might be gateways to other parts of the universe known as wormholes. While purely speculative, it's an intriguing concept in the realm of theoretical physics. Observing black holes. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole in the galaxy M87, providing direct visual evidence of these cosmic giants. Black holes remain some of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. As we continue to explore and learn, who knows what other secrets they might reveal.